So I had an awesome day today. I went to the beach and I had a guy pick me up from the car place that I took my car to. And I'm trying to get the air conditioning fixed on it because it's not working and I just can't go another summer without air conditioning, so I gotta take my car back in, but the solution is finally fixed to it. So I'm gonna get a smoothie. I'm gonna do a drive-through smoothie run. And yeah, I'm gonna do that. Like a freaking long line right now. It's not that bad though.
What can I get for you?
Hi, sorry, I'm just looking at what you have. Does the Sunrise Sunset have any dairy in it?
You said any dairy?
Yeah.
No.
Okay, I'll have one of those. Just the Sunrise Sunset, please.
That'd be all for you?
That's it.
$4.97 for you.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, so I got my Sunrise Sunset smoothie. And I've got some guys texting me. One of them is kind of a new guy. Another one is kind of like, one of them's trying to do make up for some dumb mistakes that he made. So he's trying to see me again. I'm just like, I don't think so. So sometimes it's really confusing. This is really good. Amazing. Alright, so I made a wrong turn. This is a whole new thing that they built. I'm heading towards Detroit, which sucks. Oh wait, I think it's okay now, but I'm gonna see if this kind of new guy wants to go to IHOP at midnight. That's gonna be fun. So, yay. They have some really good pineapple upside down pancakes and banana, I don't know, some crazy flavor for the summer. So I'm gonna see if he's gonna go for it. So the guy that I hung out with today was really, really cute. He was oh my god, this is so weird. Oh my god. Dude, that was really weird. There's just a random couple on a bench. And they looked like they were what do they look? They looked like one of them was just making a face, just kind of looking off into space. The other one was just kind of texting on the phone. Yeah, this guy was really cute. He was he blew up the air mat for me, and we used it as a pillow. And we went in the water a little bit, and he held the air mat for me while I got on it. And he kept calling me hottie, and then he kissed me at different points. It was really cute. And it's been a while, so it was nice. was cute. So there's a place though that got demolished that used to be a theater, and now it's some automotive industrial place now, which I mean, we don't really need like any more of that, but it is what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna see if this guy's gonna go for my IHOP idea, pancakes at midnight. It'll be fun. Alright, cool. So this guy is in and he's gonna go to IHOP with me. I just hope that he follows through with it. I've had problems with guys in general following through with what they say. So let's see if this is gonna work. So IHOP at midnight. I'm excited about it. I was just gonna go with myself, but I decided like that would be a cool idea to kind of like meet somebody and hang out and talk. So that would be kind of cool. So yay.